My heaven, the sound of rushing waters. Purify my life. Tear down the strongholds of idolatry from generations of the high places. Heal the generations. Bathe us in your glory. May we be face to face, breath to breath, with the essence and the fragrance of the Prince of Peace. Fountains of living water, for I will give you vineyards you did not plant, and gardens and orchards that are your inheritance. May the high places return to that with a pure heart and clean hands. Create in me a clean heart. May all that flows out of my life be the reflection and the essence of the fragrance of peace, of the fruits of the spirit of love. The agape, the eros, the phileo. May the altar of my life and my heart be as pure as the wave of the water, Lausus. The breath of life, where the spirit hovered over the face of the deep, of the water. It's who we are. It's the infusion of the Shekinah, of glory, rivers of healing for the nations, for this generation.